we've been going through the different steps to practice a division word problem. So before we start, who can remind us what our 3 big steps are? Actually, our 4 big steps for solving a division word problem. Adali? Can you say it nice and loud? Find the important information in the question. What's our next step for solving a division word problem? What did we do up here after we found our important information? Micaiah?
So you can be reminded, draw your picture, and like when you do your equation, you can just look like and you can remember.
So it can remind you. So we're gonna, after we find our important information, we're gonna draw our picture like we did up here. Very good. Who can tell us what we're gonna do after we draw our picture? What did we do after we drew our picture up here? AB? I need everybody tracking AB.
You did an equation?
We wrote an equation. Very good. And what do we have to do after we write our equation, AB? What do we want to do?
Label.
We want to label our equation. Very good. Let's show AB some love. He's absolutely right. That was pathetic. Let's show AB some love, friends. Very good. And who can tell us our last step for solving a division word problem? So we're going to be outstanding 4th graders. We're going to do all of our steps. Adali? Label and explain your answers. Very good. So friends, we're going to learn some hand signals to help us remember all 4 important steps of our equation. Or solving a word problem. So first we're going to identify. So to identify, we're going to use a magnifying glass. Can everyone show me their best magnifying glass? Anaya's showing a great magnifying glass. Andy, where's your magnifying glass? Thank you. So every time we identify the words, we're going to remember that we're using a magnifying glass. And then we're going to draw our picture. And usually to draw, we draw circles, right? That's usually how we represent our equation in pictures. So we're going to draw circles, and that'll help us remember that our next step is to draw circles. Kevin, can you show us your best circles? Very good. Andy, can you show us your best circles? Very good. So that's our next step. So we're going to identify. I want everybody following along. Identify. Draw our picture. We're going to write our equation. And we're going to explain our answer. Who can come up and show all of our steps for us? Micaiah? I need everybody tracking Micaiah. Because these are really important ways to remember. Good ways to remember.
Explain.
Oh, is that our first step? Explain? Identify. Oh, let's try that again, because I want to see everybody following along. Identify.
Identify.
What's our next step, Micaiah? So we're going to draw our picture, right? Very good. What's our next step? We're going to write our equation. And what's our last step? Explain. Very good. Let's show Nikai some love. Very good. Okay, so we're going to do a gallery walk today. And so we have our expectations up on the board. Let's read them together so we remember how to do a gallery walk. So, I need everybody's eyes. Eduardo. Let's read them together. I want to see 100% of students reading along with me. Your body. That was no percent. I need 100% of students reading along with me. Your body.
Your body.
Let's read them all together.
Your body stays at your chart until you hear me say switch.
Very good. You are either writing silently, thinking silently, or whispering to the person. Let's start here. The person next to you to share your ideas and help each other. Very good.
When you switch to the next paper, your voice is off, hands at your sides, and walk in zone 0.
Very good. Micaiah is showing us what zone 0 looks like. Very good. So friends, we've done a gallery walk before, and we always do an outstanding job with our gallery walks, walking quietly from station to station, working hard when we're at each of our stations. So I want to see that again because that's what outstanding 4th graders do. Andy, when we're walking from station to station, what should we be doing? know, all eyes on Andy. Walking quietly. And when we're at a station, Anaya, what should we be doing? Andy, head up. Whispering to your partner, that's one thing we could be doing. What else can we be doing at a station, Adali? Very good. So we're either talking in zone 1 to our partner or working silently in zone 0. Very good. So here is our gallery walk word problem that we're going to be working on today. I need all eyes. There should be no writing on whiteboards right now. So let's talk through our gallery walk word problem together. So let's echo read it. We didn't do a very good job reading it together. We're going to echo read our word problem. McDonald's sold 45 chicken nuggets.
McDonald's sold 45 chicken nuggets
In their Happy Meals.
in their Happy Meals.
Let's try that again. I see 100% of students reading along. In their Happy Meals.
In their Happy Meals.
If each Happy Meal
If each Happy Meal
comes with 5 nuggets,
comes with 5 nuggets,
how many Happy Meals
how many Happy Meals
did McDonald's sell?
did McDonald's sell?
So we're going to do the first step of solving our word problem together, and then you're going to have the chance to go to each of our stations to do the remaining 3 steps. So who can remind us, using the new hand motions we learned, what our first step to solving a word problem is? Anaya? And what is that called? What is that called when we're looking for the key information? We are... Who can help out Anaya? What are we looking for? Adali? Big word. Yeah, I think. Nakai, what are we doing?
Identify.
What are we doing, class?
Identify.
Okay, so remember we're identifying, we're using our new hand motion to help us remember. So let's identify the important parts together, and then you're going to get a chance to work on this by the remaining 3 steps by yourself at our stations. So who can tell us some of the important information from this word problem that we do? Nakai?
45.
And what is 45?
Our whole.
Our whole.
5.
So very good. So 45 is our whole. What's some other important information? Haley?
The important information
I need everybody tracking Haley. Sitting up straight.
is that you're following the rules and you're going and you tell and you're drawing a picture with the word problem and
So we're looking right now.